And as I scroll down and look at these various properties, I'm not seeing anything that looks like it's a duplicate of another property or somehow connected with another property, except for maybe the font size in these two different paragraph tags. This looks to me like something that should be unified. Possibly this is an indicator of what we want paragraph tags to look like by default across the entire site. Again, I'll add a to-do here for future reference. I'll call it Unify Paragraph Styles. Then I scroll down to the bottom. Okay. We'll save this, and I think we've isolated whatever we can into variables for now. But because we've set the foundation here, and we now have Sass to work with, we can identify these kinds of variables as we write the CSS, instead of coming around later and trying to remember all of the places where we used different kinds of styles. That's why we're introducing Sass fairly early on in this video series, because it's such an important tool to use from here on out and to integrate with your workflow.